back to my channel. So clearly you can see my room needs a big deep clean. Now I really shouldn't have got this bad. I did clean it the other day, but every time it would get back messy, I wouldn't clean it because I was saving it for this video till eventually got to this place where I just cannot live in this mess. Stuff on my floor, like, so we're gonna clean it up and get a video out of it. I think after all of this, I'm gonna put some of my stuff on Facebook Marketplace. One, I just want to change things out. I want to upgrade my stuff. And two, I don't need some of this stuff. I have so much stuff and I need to clean it all out. So let's get to it. Honestly, I have no clue where to start. So I'm gonna start by changing my clothes because I'm wearing jeans and this shirt, and I just need to be in clothes I can move in more. I feel like maybe that's gonna help me figure out. These are the jeans I cut last video. I have no clue what to do with them. Up here are like the shoes I don't really wear. So I have like one bag here, my tote bag, and then like 3, 4, 5 bags there. Like just a lot of bags because I was selling snacks and I didn't know like which bag to put them all in. This is the bag I ended up with. But now I just have like a mess of bags all over my room. I don't know where I'm gonna put these, but I definitely need to clear up my space here. Okay, so my mom made some pho. I'm gonna have some. I'm gonna take a break and go ahead and eat. This is kind of like where we're at. Everything's on like the bed. Closet's really kind of like empty. I really just have to work on this mess, and then I have to work on like my desk area. Just picking things off the floor made a big difference. So this is my pho. I have some mushrooms. Don't know what meat this is. And then I have quail eggs, pork, chicken, greens, peanuts, like everything. Every time we make pho, we have every meat and it's just so good. Okay, so it's the next day. The pho knocked me out. I think I fell asleep at 7 p.m. and I was just knocked. I was tired, and I also ran out of storage yesterday to continue filming, so I'm gonna start recording on the iPad. We'll see how different quality is, but I'm just gonna start my day off by changing up this calendar. Box right here. These are like my little journals. 2017. Oh my goodness. These are like paperwork, so I'm gonna keep these. Don't care. Trash. this is what my box is currently looking like. Here are some more papers. Oh, I just banged my head. Can you guys tell? All this stuff I can finally get out of my room. It's a big step. I just got done getting ready for my banquet. Just wearing this like tan dress. I'm wearing my tote bag with it, and then I'm gonna wear these sandals with it. I'm not big into heels and all that. All my stuff is already in the laundry, so by the time I'm back, my video should be done because my bed sheets are gonna be done. I will be updating you guys after.